Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures here, and it is Abby's birthday today. So I just wanted to take some video of Abby and share a couple pics. Went to Treats Unleashed today and got some treats for her, got her birthday bone, and got her a little treat, so she's having a good birthday. And I got a little bit special dinner for her tonight. So I have a few clips here, check it out. Wish Abby a happy birthday.
Is that your birthday cookie? There you go.
Open her out a little bit.
Give it a bite. Oh, that's a big piece in there.
Abby got this free Treats Unleashed tennis ball, which is also a squeaker she likes to play with. You gonna give me that ball? You gonna give me that ball? You gonna give me that ball? Good girl.
Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Good girl.
You silly girl.
The Treats Unleashed today and signing up for their rewards program. Got this bag, which you saw the squeaker was in it, and this roll of poop bags. And they have this program here. So next year she gets a free birthday bone. It was basically the bone. I don't have a picture of it. And you'll probably see some video of her chewing up the bone, but she'll get a free bone. So that's pretty cool. My ball. In case you're wondering, today is Abby's 9th birthday, and I think we're having fun. What do you think, Abby? Are we having fun? And I want to remind everyone, get outside and have some fun like we are today. Thanks for watching.